Amazon is packed with some of the coolest and most useful tools you can get delivered right to your door. And today, we're going to check out a list of amazing tools you can buy right now. From clever gadgets that make DIY easier to powerful gear every toolbox needs, there's something here for everyone. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more awesome finds just like this. Recon M1 Caliber Measuring Tool. The Recon M1 Caliber is a digital measuring accessory that clamps onto your miter saw's fence and uses a spring-loaded, encoder-equipped wheel to capture precise measurements as materials slide underneath. It displays real-time cut length on a large backlit LCD, eliminating the need for tape measures and pencil markings. Ideal for repeat cuts and blocking jobs. No more measuring, marking, or resetting. The Recon M1 is a standout tool for DIYers and professionals alike, offering speed, precision, and a modern digital upgrade to traditional saw setups. Especially for repetitive cuts, workflow optimization on-site, and reducing material waste, it delivers exceptional value. Gangmu Belt Sander Adapter. Often called a belt sander attachment for angle grinders, is an adapter kit that converts an angle grinder into a small belt sander or belt grinding tool. This gives you more versatility from a tool you might already own. The adapter is designed to mount on the output spindle of an angle grinder and lets you attach a sanding belt that runs between wheels to the grinder. The belt slides over a curved or flat wheel plus a drive wheel powered by the grinder. It basically turns your grinder into a belt sander that can handle flat surfaces, pipe sanding, or rust removal. Useful for curved work, pipes, tight spaces, or jobs where a regular belt sander doesn't reach. Skillsaw SBT55-11. The SBT55-11 is Skillsaw's powerful and specialized carpentry chainsaw. It's a hybrid tool combining elements of a circular saw, chainsaw, and worm drive mechanism to deliver extremely deep, beefy cuts, especially in large beams, timber framing, or gang cutting. SKL refers to it as the Sasquatch, signaling just how massive its cutting capacity is. Able to cut through large beams or thick stock in one pass, something few handheld tools can do. The 56-tooth chain gives a smoother finish than typical chainsaw chain, making it more usable for finished jobs. The Skillsaw SBT55-11 is a beast of a tool for heavy-duty woodworking and framing. If your job involves cutting large stock and thick beams regularly, it's one of the best options you'll find in a handheld format. It gives you depth and power far beyond standard size saws. SBTA Cordless Mini Polisher. The SBTA Cordless Mini Polisher is a detailing tool aimed at car enthusiasts and professionals who need precision in small or hard-to-reach spots. It's a cordless dual-action polisher, which means it can do both rotary and orbital polishing depending on how the shaft is configured. It comes with a pair of batteries, charger, multiple backing plates, and a selection of pads. Good for doing paint correction, waxing, finishing work, and scratch removal. No cord, so you can detail in places without power easily. Great for small work, detailing badges, trim, logos, or tight curves. Perfect for light scratch removal or swirl mark correction on smaller surfaces. Excellent for on-the-go detailing like road trips or places with limited access to electricity. Klein Tools Fan. The PGS FM2 is Klein Tools' rechargeable job site fan designed to offer portable, clip-on cooling. It offers multiple mounting options so you can attach it to studs, conduit, metal surfaces, or hang it. Ideal for job sites like attics, lifts, crawl spaces, and more. The cage and arm base rotate 360 degrees for directing airflow where needed. Designed to survive drops from around 7 feet, which matters a lot on rugged job sites. Great for journeymen or tradespeople who move between locations and need a reliable cooling fan. Excellent for working in enclosed or tight spaces, attics, lifts, crawl spaces, where there's heat buildups. Rigid K 4310 FXB Drum Machine. This rigid drum machine is a heavy-duty, high-performance, cordless drum machine with modern features designed for pro plumbers and sewer techs who need reach, power, and mobility. Used for cleaning and maintaining large drain and sewer lines. It's part of Rigid's FXB battery platform, which is designed for cordless performance. It's built for demanding situations, though it comes with the expected trade-offs in weight and cost. Excellent for commercial plumbing or municipal sewer work, where flexible drainage clearing over long runs is needed. Perfect for contractors who want a truck-loaded tool that handles a range of line sizes, instead of separate machines for each. Useful on jobs where locating exact blockage depth is helpful. Milwaukee Nibbler. This cordless, brushless motor nibbler tool from Milwaukee's M12 fuel line was designed to cut sheet metal cleanly, especially 16-gauge mild steel, but also rated for 18-gauge stainless steel and 12-gauge aluminum. Includes features like a variable speed dial, a tool-free 360 degrees die holder rotation, LED work light, and a chip collection bag. It gives cleaner cuts with less distortion compared to snips or saws, especially useful for curves, cutouts, ducts, roofing, and more. Because it's cordless and part of Milwaukee's M12 system, you get better portability and convenience on job sites without dragging cords around. The chip bag and LED help reduce cleanup and improve accuracy in low light or constrained workspaces. Tolson Hand Riveter. The Tolson Hand Riveter is a manual tool used for fastening materials together via rivets. It's a non-powered, hand tool version that works by pulling a mandrel through a rivet to expand it and secure the two pieces of material. Great for joining metal sheets, aluminum, steel, stainless steel, or similar materials when welding or screws aren't ideal. Because it's a blind riveter, you can install a rivet even when you only have access to one side of the workpiece. Ideal for applications like signage, metal enclosures, HVAC ductwork, roofing, automotive bodywork, or anything where a clean, mechanical fastening is required without heat or power. The manual action and rugged build make it portable, reliable, and low maintenance. No motors or battery required. Metabo HPT Rebar Bender and Cutter. The Metabo HPT Rebar Bender and Cutter is a portable power tool designed to cut and bend steel rebar quickly and precisely. It comes in both corded and cordless versions, capable of handling rebar up to number 5 and bending up to 180 degrees. The tool saves time and labor by combining cutting and bending functions in one machine, making it ideal for concrete and construction jobs. Its durable build, precise operation, and ergonomic design make it reliable for heavy job site use. The cordless version adds flexibility, letting workers operate in areas without nearby power sources. The Oregon CS1500 is a corded electric chainsaw featuring a powerful 15-amp motor and an 18-inch guide bar, making it suitable for medium-duty tasks like cutting firewood, trimming branches, and storm cleanup. A standout feature is its built-in PowerSharp self-sharpening system, allowing users to sharpen the chain on the saw in just 3 to 5 seconds, reducing downtime and maintaining cutting efficiency. The tool-less chain tensioning system simplifies adjustments, enhancing user convenience. Operating with low noise and no emissions, it offers a cleaner and quieter alternative to gas-powered saws. Its ergonomic design and balanced weight make it a practical choice for homeowners seeking a reliable and low-maintenance chainsaw. Alright, that's a wrap on some of the best tools from Amazon you can grab right now. If you found something that could make your next project easier, be sure to check the links in the description. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on more amazing tools and gadgets. Drop a comment below and let me know which tool you're adding to your toolkit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.